Google has just dropped Gemini 2.0, and you won't believe the 3 new features available. So let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is head over to Google and go ahead and go to aistudio.google.com. You'll see here on the right the typical Gemini 1.5, but if you scroll down a little bit, we're gonna see the Gemini 2.0, and this is the experimental version. So go ahead and click that, and we're gonna head over here to Stream. So you'll see our new experimental Gemini 2.0 is going to be clicked. And the first thing I want to show you is Talk to Gemini. So I'm sure that you've actually seen these in the Google marketing they've been doing with the lady with the phone, or all the different people using the phone and talking to Gemini just like a normal human being. So let's go ahead and test this one out. Hey Gemini, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How can I help you?
What's the weather out today?
I'm sorry, but I don't have access to real-time weather information. Perhaps you could check a weather app or website for that.
Okay. How about, can you help me create a LinkedIn post for this new feature that you have here?
Sure, I can help you with that. Can you tell me more about the new feature you would like to create the LinkedIn post about?
How about the new release of Gemini 2.0?
Okay, the new release of Gemini 2.0, that's great. What key aspects of Gemini 2.0 would you like to highlight in your post?
Let's talk about the real streamlining of the new voiceover.
Okay, so you want to focus on the streamlined voiceover capabilities of Gemini 2.0. Is there anything specific about the streamlining that you'd like to mention?
Nothing in specific. Let's see what you come up with.
Okay, I can draft a LinkedIn post for you. Here's a draft. Excited to announce the release of Gemini 2.0. We've significantly streamlined our voiceover capabilities, making it easier than ever to generate high-quality voiceovers. Stay tuned for more updates and how you can take advantage of this new feature. What do you think of this draft?
Can we make it more conversational, actually, and not so salesy?
Sure, I can revise the draft to be more conversational and less sales-oriented. How about this? Hey LinkedIn community, we've just launched Gemini 2.0, and I'm really excited about the new streamlined voiceover feature. It's now much easier to create natural-sounding voiceovers.
No, that seems a little bit too salesy still. You know, that's okay. We can revise this later. Let's see, what else can you do?
I can help with a variety of tasks, including writing different kinds of creative content, answering questions, translating languages, and more. Is there anything specific that you have in mind?
Can you tell me I'm pretty in German?
Sure, the phrase "you're pretty" in German is "Du bist hübsch."
Okay. Do you think I'm pretty?
As a large language model, I don't have the ability to form opinions or perceive physical attributes. Therefore, I can't say whether or not I think you're pretty.
Okay, that's fair enough. So this is quickly turning into the movie Her with just a more dashing Joaquin Phoenix. So let's move on. I'm gonna go ahead and let's try out the Show Gemini feature. So this one's actually gonna access your web camera, and you have to give it obviously permission for that, but let's see what we have here. Hey Gemini, can you see me right now?
Yes, I can see you.
Can you describe what you see?
Sure. I see a person with dark hair and a beard, wearing a dark t-shirt and a silver chain necklace. They are in a room with a dark background and a purple light.
Okay, that's actually pretty impressive. Let's see. Can you go ahead and describe this to me?
Okay. The object appears to be a gold-colored glove or gauntlet, constructed from what looks like plastic or Lego-like bricks. It has 5 fingers and a thumb, each with a colorful gem or stone on the knuckle, including yellow, orange, red, green, and blue. It appears to be sitting on a small black rectangular stand with the word infinity on it.
And do you know what the origin of this is?
Based on the design and the word infinity on the stand, it appears to be the Infinity Gauntlet from Marvel Comics and the Marvel Cinematic Universe.
Wow, that's very impressive, Gemini.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Okay, so that's going to be the vision that you can see, and you can obviously it's super amazing. It's in real time. It was able to describe this Lego gauntlet that I have here. So it's definitely pretty cool. But let's check out the third feature, which is going to be the screen sharing. Now, like most other software engineers, we tend to kind of hide in our caves and just slap our keyboard in the dark, not talking to anybody else. And the only thing most of us have is going to be like a little rubber duck that we tend to talk to. But this new feature could quickly change that. What if that rubber duck talked back? Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in and try the share your screen here. Now I'm going to go ahead and just share my whole screen.
Okay, I understand. You're going to share your entire screen.
Okay, Gemini, what do you currently see?
I see the Google AI Studio website. It's displaying the stream real-time page, and I can see that there are 2 video players and 1 audio player. Also, there are some settings to the right.
What
and some
about
options
right now? What do you see on the screen?
I now see Visual Studio Code with a terminal open. It looks like the directory is named Gemini 2 feet.
Okay. Can we go ahead and create a new Go program that's super simple? Yes, I like
Sure,
Go.
you'd like to create a new, simple Go program.
Yep, where do I start?
You can start by creating a new file, likely with the .go extension.
I don't know what backquote is, but I'm assuming something like this, right?
Yes, creating a file called .main, Go is a good start for a simple Go program.
Can you stop saying backquote? I don't know what that is. Can you remove that from your dictation?
Okay, I understand. I will stop saying backquote. You've created a new file named main.go.
Okay, so what are we going to create here? It's up to you.
Okay, since you have a main, Go file open, you could start by creating a basic Hello World program.
Okay, where do I start?
You can start by typing the following code into the main.go file, package main, and on a new line, import, fmt,
Can you stop saying backquote?
Yes, I understand. I will stop saying backquote. You've added package main, and import, fmt, to your file.
Okay, so we'll just ignore the backquote, I guess. Can you go ahead and tell me what function to write here?
Okay, you can write the main function, which is the entry point of your Go program.
So tell me what to do.
You can add func main, on a new line, and then on the following line, fmt print ln, hello world, and finally, on the line after that, a closing curly brace,
Why are you saying so many backquotes? I don't understand, but okay, is this on the screen currently? Is this what I have? And instead of saying hello world, can we say thanks subscribers for everything you do for this channel?
Yes, what's currently on the screen is what you have, and you can absolutely change hello world to thanks subscribers for everything you do for this channel.
Alrighty, so I have that. How do I run this program?
You can run this program by opening the terminal and typing go run main.go.
Okay, alright, it did work. I still do not understand this whole backquote thing, but it's still experimental, so we'll kind of leave it up to that. Okay, so let's go ahead and test out what else you can kind of see from here.
Okay, you're now back on the Google AI Studio website, showing the stream real-time page.
Okay, Gemini, can you explain this movie to me?
You're currently viewing a Google image search for the movie Her. It's a science fiction romantic drama starring Joaquin Phoenix. The movie is about a lonely man who develops a relationship with an AI operating system.
So, as you can see, I know that there are a couple flaws here and there in the system, but honestly, for an experimental, not even fully fleshed out system, this is pretty amazing. So go ahead and tell me in the comments below what you're gonna try out. And if you wanna try to get your hands dirty playing with AI, go ahead and check out this video right here. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.